But first tonight at 6 News 3 is looking for answers on how counties may have been involved with a family before the death of a 5-year-old. The state won't say if or how Child Protective Services were involved before Braden Turnbull's death.
The 5-year-old's mother's boyfriend is the suspect in the death. Good evening, everyone. I'm Michelle Lee.
And I'm Eric Franke. News 3's Jessica Arp has been digging into this story today. She joins with the latest. Jess.
Well, we know that the parents of 5-year-old Braden Turnbull were estranged and living apart, but the state won't tell us exactly what contact Child Protective Services may have had before young Braden's death.
I protected my children with my life.
Speaking after his court appearance on sexual assault charges, Anthony Turnbull told News 3 Monday he'd had contact with Child Protective Services about his son Braden, who died last week after injuries from alleged child abuse.
Well, they'll see that I tried getting Braden. You'll see that there was CPS reports, and there was a CPS report in Greene County that I was told that somebody had, that they found that I had called and made reports to try to get my son.
Turnbull also says the Dane County Sheriff's Department was informed of abuse, although a spokeswoman says 2 contacts last year dealt with custody issues, not reports of child endangerment. But a family member of Turnbull's estranged wife says CPS was also involved with the family this month.
So when all this was reported in regards to the sexual assault, we did ask Child Protective Services to go and check on the other little boy. And to the best of my knowledge, we don't think that was done. Now, I don't know if that would have stopped anything, but it is a tragedy that something wasn't, checked on.
News 3 has been unable to confirm these reports with Dane or Greene County, who refer questions on the case to the State Department of Children and Families. The department released this statement after our requests, saying they, quote, understand the public's interest in getting more information about this case. However, due to confidentiality issues, the Department of Children and Families cannot provide any further details at this time. But the department has provided details of this kind before, giving News 3 details on contacts Child Protective Services had with Chad and Melinda Critton before a teenage girl was removed from their home after allegations of starvation and abuse. In response to that early 2012 case, the department tells us only they were, quote, correcting inaccurate information on the case. The only disclosure the state has made is that the public posting of an egregious incident report is on their website. That says a 5-year-old male suffered serious injury on October 22nd in his home, and the Department of Safety and Permanence will be doing a 90-day review of the case. That review is supposed to be made public once it is complete. But if any police agency, district attorney, or judge asks for it to be sealed, it could be, and that's exactly what happened in the Critton case. 20 months later, that report on what went right or wrong with CPS involvement remains sealed.
Jessica Arp reporting live for us tonight from the newsroom. Jessica, thanks.